Hi guys, it's Miss Summer here, and today's video we're gonna make jelly beaches. So we have coconut biscuits, and then we have green jelly because we can't find any blue jelly, and then we got some queen blue food coloring, and then if you mix those two, it'll make like an aqua blue. So you can find any blue. And then we have condensed milk. We have rainbow sour strips. And then we have jelly babies, cups, plastic cups. And then we have umbrellas. There's 4 different types. There's orange, there's pink, purple, there's green, and there's blue. And we also have a measuring cup, a bowl, and a spoon. So we also have the blender and the hot water. And with the hot water, your mom or dad might want to pour it, not you, because it's really hot and you could burn yourself. So let's get started. First, we're gonna add some green jelly. The smell of it. Can I smell it? Ah, so good. Yep. So we put 3 jellies in, 3 jelly packets, and now my mom's gonna put hot water because I might just burn myself. So we're gonna swap places.
For each box of jelly, we have to put 250 mils of hot water. We've got 3 boxes of jelly. That means we have to put 750 mils of hot water into here. So I've got my little cup and I've got mils and cups here. So I'm going to just measure it. $250. 500, 750.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna stir it up. And make sure you have a glass bowl so you can see if all the crystals are gone. Oh geez. Okay, so now I'm gonna put 600 mils of cold water that we got out from the fridge into the jelly. I'm gonna take the cap off. I also wash my hands because they got all sticky. Okay, so you gotta be really careful. Now I'm just gonna mix it, and whoa, wow! Let me show you guys. You can see through the bowl. It's so blue. I don't think I need any more blue. I think I added way too much. It's way too dark, but it's really cool. Now that I got the jelly, and the cups. I'm gonna fill the cups up with some jelly. And we did 7. The 7th one's not so full, but that's okay. Just have a bit more condensed milk and cookies. And we're gonna let it sit overnight. So I'm gonna see you guys the next day. Mommy, scissors. It looks like Ezra wants to be in the video. Yeah. Yeah, you love me. Okay. Oh, yummy! Stick it. Put them in the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the next one, 5, and 6. Okay, so my mom blended this, and make sure you get a parent to blend it for you. So we blended the cookies. So after you blend the cookies, you get the condensed milk. Okay guys, so we open the condensed milk and get a parent to help you open the condensed milk. So we have some rainbow sour strips, our plate and scissors. So then you need 3 sour strips. I'm going to start with this one. And put it into 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3. The jelly set overnight, so now I'm gonna go into the fridge and get the jellies. Okay guys, so now I got all the jellies up. I'm gonna put the condensed milk in. You don't need a spoon or anything, just pour it in. It's okay if you make a mess. That's enough, is it? Yes. Just let it well, this. Okay, guys. So we put a little bit of condensed milk in each of our cups, and now what you want to do is get your crumbled cookies and get a spoon. And you just skip some in there. Oh, it goes through. Oh. I can't wait for the taste test at the end. Okay, so we put some cookies, crumbled cookies in one. And it should look like this. So there's like the blue at the bottom. I don't put too much. I didn't put too much. And then put some condensed milk, and then I put the crumbled cookies. Make sure you flatten it down. So now I'm gonna do the rest. Okay guys, so now we've put all the cookies in. So now we're gonna get our 7 sour straps and put them on our 7 jelly beaches. After you put the sour in the chips, you get your jelly babies all and then you put them on top of the slices. So you put them on the on top of the jelly. After that, you're gonna get your umbrellas and open the package up. You get an umbrella and then you stick it in, but not all the way so you can see it in the ocean. Okay. And then the big one. It's not a pink one. I really like this color. Let's go the blue. They will look like this. A fun jelly beach. You have your little umbrellas in. I really like these umbrellas. So now we're gonna do the taste test. Okay, so me and Ezzy and I have our jelly beaches. Ezzy has the one with the green umbrella. I have the one with the orange umbrella. So what we're gonna do is take an umbrella out. Take yours out, Izzy? Yeah. Take yours out. Oh, yummy. And then we'll taste it. Do you want to taste it, Izzy? Yeah. Let's make lots of mess. I want to taste that lolly. Can I taste the elk? No, I do. Yep. It tastes really good. Taste it? Taste the jelly. Oh. I just taste it like. It's so stupid. Izzy, you don't have to play with it. Just taste it. Izzy, you're missing. He's missing all this thing. And I'm gonna taste the thing in. I like it. Cause like that's the way the white bit. And the worm. It's like making a soup. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video making jelly beaches. It was so fun. So see you guys on my next video. Bye!